2022 Aston Martin DBX. So fitted a ghost to immobiliser. The vehicle, if we go to start the vehicle up, you can press the start button. All your dash lights will come on. You can enter the password for the vehicle. We can now get our 2 flashes just down below here. That will allow us to now start the vehicle if needs be. If I wanted to change the password, I can hold my foot on the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor. We can enter the password again. When you get your flash, you can then release your pedal. Allows you to now input a new password. For a demonstration purpose, we're going to go back to the same password we used. It will now flash 3 times as a confirmation. And now we're going to do the same password again. It will give you 2 flashes of submission. And that's now submitted to the vehicle. I'll switch the vehicle off. I'm going to try our new password. So I'll put my foot on the brake. Start the vehicle. Now, if I put my new password, it should give me 2 flashes of ignition indication. That will allow me to now drive the vehicle if need be. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to show you how to go into service mode on this vehicle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will now flash 5 times at the top, allowing you now for it to know it's in service mode. So I'm going to switch the vehicle off. You can hand the keys over to whoever is doing the job. They can then obviously fulfill their job. When you come back to the car to collect it, you must reactivate the ghost back on the vehicle. The way we do so is by pressing our foot on the brake, starting the vehicle up again, and we're going to input the same password you currently use. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll get your 2 acknowledgement flashes again, and that is your system back into action now.